All right. So
This is it.
we were able to go to Disneyland because of these beauties. So that's another video. So unboxing.
Not because of these. We're going on vacation.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna do 4 different sets of videos for these items. So we're gonna start with that one, and then second video for those 2 there, third video for that one, and then last video for the 4 little ones. All right.
No, we're gonna separate these 2.
Separate videos for those 4.
Yeah, for this one, and then this is separate. There's.
Huh?
So
5 videos.
Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Alright. You're the boss. Okay. Alright. Next one. So we don't actually know what's in the 4 small boxes. So go for it, hon.
We're gonna start with this.
That one?
Yeah. So here is the care card and the authenticity card. Okay, you ready?
Always ready.
What's your guess? What is this?
Jewelry. Green box.
I like to display my boxes, so. Oh. Ta-da! Oops! I see a gold there.
So it's just a cover.
Ooh, it's a chain. It's a chain. It's a chain.
Ching.
We gotta ask if they can add links on this.
Oh yeah.
So we gotta go back and ask. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. I think you have a year right now.
We're gonna open another one.
Yeah.
We're not gonna
open this one. No. So this one. There's a care card again. And let's see what we have here.
What's that? Huh? Is that a cockroach?
Yeah. What is there? Ready?
Open the coffin. Oh.
Another chain. Is that yours or Papa? Why are you drinking it?
Why are you drinking it from the thing? That's why I'm getting sick. That's why I got sick.
There's another chain.
Ooh.
Papa, can I have yours?
You already drank it. I mean, you're making have to make a new one.
Well, you're gonna have to wait for tomorrow.
You're still sick,
You
you
can
know.
still drink it. You're already sick.
Yeah,
Can I have it?
No, Jad, that's Papa's.
Papa.
Just pause it for now. Yeah.
No, we're gonna open the... Because it comes with...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so let's see. Because these are chains. I wonder if they have a pendant that goes with it. So let's see.
You're bad at this.
I am. Why? I already revealed it.
I think so.
They don't know which kind. Okay, let's start with this.
You know when you're like Game of Thrones, when they're trying to predict the next episode or what's gonna happen, you're not supposed to say anything.
Oh.
Not a character, not a venue.
That's
nothing.
why. That's why I'm not in Game of Thrones. I can't keep a secret.
When you say something, they're like, "Oh."
Which one's this?
That one.
Ooh.
At least that one we don't know which one. So I guess that's
Happy birthday, Papa.
Yeah, look at me, Scorpio. Pendant.
This is
The
Papa's
Zodiac sign.
42nd
Cartier.
birthday gift. A Zodiac.
What's the behind
That's why there's a chain, see? That's why there's a chain. Oh yeah, the collar
See, they're the
matches,
same now.
yeah.
Can you turn it
So
around?
pretty. The back.
What's
I
the
don't
back?
know what it says.
Is it? I think that's the Zodiac. Maybe writing.
Don't know. Oh, it's Roman numerals. You like it?
Yeah.
This is Papa's.
Parang this may gayuma.
Gayuma. Hindi gayumahin mo. Huh?
Chocolates.
Next. Okay. And our final one.
Shoes. Shoes.
What was it?
Baby
The
shoes.
Barbie shoes. Let's see what this is. Ta-da!
Pendant.
Pendant.
And that is
That's
Aquarius.
the Aquarius.
That's
Mine.
Mommy's Zodiac sign. So what is it? Looks like a mermaid? Dragon?
Looks like the air and water.
Red water?
Yeah. So this is my birthday gift.
Happy birthday.
My early birthday, super early birthday gift.
Nice.
So the back.
Oh yeah, the back side. Looks like the same as the Zodiac one. Or the Scorpion one. Interesting.
Goes with the chain.
Alright.
Yay.
Nice unboxing, Mommy.